Your POS dashboard offers instant access to sales, expenses, and orders. Start a new transaction by selecting New Order in Quick Actions. On the New Order screen, customize your workflow further. Locate the three dots icon upper right to access additional settings. Choose Layout from the drop-down. A pop-up instantly appears, giving you full control over your interface arrangement. Customize your POS layout with a quick toggle. Save and personalize your order screen instantly. Effortlessly resize your menu to showcase more or feature promotions. Tailor your display for quicker service and enhanced team clarity. Resize your order panel to highlight crucial details. This streamlines checkout, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Customize your workspace effortlessly. Drag and drop to organize tasks, enhancing team efficiency and simplifying onboarding. Once finished, revisit layout options to save or reset. The Reset Layout feature instantly restores your interface to its default. Achieve an optimal view and effortlessly reverse any adjustments. Once reset, your dashboard quickly reverts to its standard layout. Your POS will then be perfectly configured for any new order. Design complete? Review layout options one final time to confirm your setup. Lock in your settings to secure an optimized workspace. Your POS is now fine-tuned for efficient, error-free orders, boosting team productivity.